Hello. Abia la kuki match channel hong do lo se ka hin le mo ve. Tu na hila. Masanga in the ball bana class 12 match hin jam ki divin tin. Video no kha pe na chon 1.1 question number 7 chan in chai win. To hi question number 8 ball do hi in. Question number 8 na hi PKPM te hila. So that the relation to R in the ball in the set A te hile A cross A akuna A to A collision product akuna to relation hi ke same ditin hai jung cha. So that the relation R in the set A chalo element 1 2 3 4 5 given by relation R order pair AB such that absolute value of A minus B is even. Hinga say cho so there's any two elements difference ila hele even hi popo while amani cho related hai. So for example I ba ko 4 minus 2 amani difference hi 4 minus 2 to 2 even chi hele 2 is related to 4 na. Masa there's any two elements ko difference or even hi popo while amani cho related di kitis na. When H relation hi equivalence relation hai ta so bol do banten la so equivalence relation hai ti so fi bol chai tingula 1 3 5 element zo si hi amona ma ki related so ke ding 1 2 4 so element ho hi amo hole amo ki related so ke ding ma bang 1 3 5 hole 2 4 ho hi koi ma ki related to lo di hai ti se chana la tu ki pana penen equivalence relation so bon sa penot by her given set chule solution set A ke picture set A element chule 1 2 3 4 5 na this set A element so bana e relation chule R cho R is a relation on A R is a relation on set A given by a relation pin p dhyan tile R equal to AB such that difference of A and B is even na. Don't check ball out equivalence to reflexive check ball out reflexive it ting the reflexive dhyan te hele elements so hi amona more related hi hele na for reflexive so there's some elements of ko aboni A in the ball out that element A belongs to set A. So there's some element na hi abon wa hi khat represent na A in represent ball na to ni to modulus of A minus A cho 0 hi to divide voltage as even like this na which is even. Reto ho relation ni se chu pen tele element ni chu difference and even hi bo pa hela related date cha ko tele ho definition dong ju ya chu element A hi amal ma related data na. This implies A is related to A. When A pin tele set A element of it representable so let's know that's also so there's some elements of ko amal amo related so okay 1 to 1 related 2 to 2 3 to 3 4 to 4 and 5 is related to 5 it is also here variable A is related to variable A so that means element how amal related so okay so this implies R is reflexive check voltawin tun symmetric check working out for symmetric it is a symmetric hide ham teacher first element to second element to related area hila and check equality to second to first non related nam na first to second related lo ho cho consider ball loading element related hi po wa hila second to first non related na teacher equality cha na tun le to element ni naute so this element jo se ko pair la tingole two variable in denote ball na let A B belongs to A. So this one element also ko apply pair la thing le A to B in represent both out na. Upon check both having nga so first or second element related nga so such that A is related to B. A is related to B itya hele P ke se na ham te hele modulus of A minus B is even tina hai so A minus B so even here hele B minus A jang so even the teacher common sense na for example the 2 minus 4 chale minus 2 so even so electron 4 minus 2 la 4 minus 2 into 2 hikit so even hikit so na that means A minus B is even te hele A minus B is even te hele reverse yang adi ding hit size na common sense thung so ya so A minus B here even he provide a B minus A jang even he did this implies difference of B and A is even. One a relationship don't so so set nature difference and even he provide a man is related it is na this implies B is related to A. Now can I hold also element katso A is related to B he provide B is related to A na set pair nature related in vahile in reverse also so second part also first on related that is so that means R is symmetric hikita symmetric electron reflexive check bolote for reflexive for transitive check din na for transitive IP until at least 3 elements in here of until the first element is related to second element heading abana second element is related to third element heading it also muting wala transitive a hero check thai bol do it check thai do it also muting wala if check do ham ta hele first or third so related nam ti check dio ji acha tun let A B C belongs to A. So there's one element of second triplet na thong thumai la diting ABC variable ABC in not bolo to na one thong imo la lo dio PPT la dio hamti la first or second related ding second or third related na such that A is related to B and B related to C. Apana element which related to application ham te hele modulus of relation dong ja cho A is related to B te hele difference of A and B is even tina so na amani difference even tihla pitinam tila A minus B है 2n ना even tina so ban n hi pidan kel integer hi dia integer tiso negative zong the positive zong the tina so bana B related to C kahile that means difference of B and C is even B minus C hi even hi din B minus C even means modulus of B minus even means B minus C is equal to 2m 1m zong ko integer hi kidina integer means negative zong possible tina hi so so equation 1 to 10 so here equation 2 to the then equation 1 plus equation 2 bol hota na 1 plus 2 bol by left hand side ho A minus B plus B minus C right hand side ho 2n plus 2m right m to n hi integer se dia m and r integers to ni rahin b to b cancel bol theta that means A minus C equal to 2 times of n plus m na any number so 2 into something tell even tin hai na for example right 4 ko bola even ham kya hele 2 into integer 2 hi ja hi so apana 6 jong ko bola even ti hom kya hele 2 into integer 3 na any number khacho 2 into some integer la expressible thai va che number cho even hai tu chuna hi wa jang hi value cho A minus C jong hi 2 into some integer hi so total 2 into some integer ai thaya hele A minus C jong hi even tin hai jang so this implies modulus of A minus C is even modulus of A minus C even te hele ho relation dong ja chu A is related to C na this implies A is related to C. Abana first element is related to second element, second element so third element to related kit. Abana first to third related transitive tungjo ya cho R is transitive. But R cho symmetric zong hi, reflexive zong hi, transitive zong hi. That means R is an equivalence relation. This implies R is an equivalence relation. One has a kitchen I know this. Now I have question answer. Pivot sahin tiham tiahila equivalence relation so I will say here. Elements of 1, 3, 5 are related to each other na. Gutila relation. Elements of set 135 आहे तिसरा element जो से one odd ना elements of 135 are all odd one hundred is open the all number ni any to a number difference la vaila even here so for example 5 minus 3 so 2 na mana 1 minus 5 jang minus 4 any two odd number so difference la ko boil even pot po jing na chang so say ke na the difference between the difference between any two odd any two odd number is any two odd number is even na but in our relationship dong ya so any two difference between any two number odd number even here hele any two odd number is related this na that means therefore any two odd number is related any two odd numbers are related na odd number pat so related ditin here so khotile odd number for related di here hele to iwa e ho given set jang here so my element is odd number he ja so this one element jo se ko more related so ke na therefore hence elements of 1 3 5 are related to each other jane lopina abana so sel kharum kiding sel khachanga so element so two form kiding so element ha so so abonova amana more related it kiding so na Betul semua ngomong tau na abana he elements of one number atau bang so any two even number mungkin another set so elements of 2 4 elements of 2 4 है abonova even numbers na 2 jang even 4 jang even or even one and here also pen to any two even number difference even here is na any two 4 minus 2 so 2 even na 26 minus 20 so 6 even kit so any two even number ila ila amani difference so even here is ding it is actually given set so elements also have one or his even here is so amana more related so okay any two even numbers are related so the also elements of 2 4 are related to each other bana ise dia chule 135 to 24 ho hi khacha related he poiti ri china itin barote elements of 135 135 are all odd and elements of 24 are all even. 24 are all even. One all cut to even number cut so difference to odd using this 4 to even 3 to odd 4 minus 3 to 1 so odd it na and even number cut odd number cut so difference so odd it na the difference between an odd number and even number ito na odd number and even number is odd. One number cut to even number kaila po kubahila amani difference or hihizing de kutel relationship dong ya so amani so related talo this therefore any odd number and even number related talo dia are not related which is actually elements of 135 to elements of 2 also khatsang related talo ni elements of 2 4 are not related to 135 and 2 4 ito elements of 1 3 5 are not related to 2 and 4 saya taas na ang so that each of the relations are in the set A actually is nga element na so integer heading is nga element ako integer heading abanting 0 to 12 ke ka ani na 0 sang 0 pa na 12 ke ka integer sesi ko set A element set lang kana sa set element 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 heading so so here A minus B here A minus B is a multiple of 4 headed also A minus B is a difference between A and B is a multiple of 4 headed na bana this is relation of hindi relation to sule A to B is related to A equal to B first ako bin mas out na bana here wajan one cut load on equivalence relation hai proof bowling bana hai given which relation to set sunako one to related jose hold ke dia ai wala te roman number 1 ko sa penot one actually set ako element people ham chahila 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is here we say na hijing so integers 0 to 12 ki come to see. Roman number 1. Roman number 1 ये relation बन गई आज so तब आपको related हम क्या हिला any pair is related using related कितनी हम क्या हिला हमारी difference so multiple of 4 and 4 and divide by 18 इतना so difference between A and B is a multiple of 4 multiple of 4 तुम check out ना ये पन्ना पेन reflexive check बॉल होता है reflexive आदि ना है element हमारे में related दिए जाते हैं सर ये सुना element जो सीखो variable A in represent बोलता होता है ना वाना A ये हमारे में difference है A minus A to 0 0 है 4 in divide बोलते हैं ना तो अच्छा which is a multiple of 4 multiple of 4 and the definition to here so A minus A to multiple of 4 here है A is related to 8 in also then also मारे related here है reflexive in his so this implies R is reflexive और तो symmetric check बोल कितना होता है symmetric anything है two elements are related here है for symmetric nothing also element नहीं की बात है ना ये तो B है A element है तो दें A element हो मोला ला दे हिलवा पिछले दिन पहले A तो B से related है क्या देना such that A is related to B A is related to B तो definition में पिछले हम क्या हिला difference of A and B is a multiple of 4 is a multiple of 4 A minus B multiple of 4 क्या हिला B minus A is multiple of 4 है जो निशा A is a multiple of 4 example आज 6 minus 2 to 4 multiple of 4 ना 2 minus 6 on 2 minus 4 जो है multiple of 4 लिखे जा ये समझा जा वो क्या है B minus A on 2 multiple of 4 है B is also related to A B is related to A related to B here B to A non related है कि ना है that means R is symmetric reflexive for the total reflexive adding ako three elements na adding first element related to second ethidio second element related to third ethidio but first to third related na ham ti check dio na tuntung na kinote let A B C belongs to A such that A is related to B and B is related to C. A is related to B here, that means difference of A and B is multiple of 4 no? Difference of A and B is multiple of 4. Multiple of 4 means 4 into something na pili kinahiging so. That means A minus B equal to 4 into some integer. Some integer tell negative integer and belongs to integers. Which here equation 1 to 10 bana b is related to c here difference of b and c yang multiple of 4 kita na difference of b and c is multiple of 4. That means b minus c equal to 4 into some integer n. Equation 2 to 10 n here integer here. Aku tahu 1 to 2 ada bawah here 1 plus 2 left hand side so a minus b right hand side so plus b minus c to right hand side so 4n plus 4m m to n here integer sila m and r integers. Bila b minus b cancel tayo here a minus c so 4 into n plus m. A minus b so amani difference so 4 into some integer in move like that means a minus c is a multiple of 14 hijing na. A minus c is a multiple of 4. Multiple of 4 will provide a relation to the so a is related to c implies a is related to c. First element related to second element related to third element. Upon first and third related, that means R is transitive. R is transitive. Equivalence set is solvable. Right? Also, to it's set is one who want to related is equal him. Evaluate. Space mama man kita होते. Screenshot के बोल दो हम copy दो हम post नहीं बोला ना copy दो हम also reflexive zone symmetric zone transitive zone that means R is equivalence relation. This implies R is an equivalence relation. Okay. Untuk question hari ini teacher, isi set ya sungai he. One to related CC na. Maksud set of elements related to one so kalau ham cahile 1 to 1 minus 0 to 1 not multiple of 4 1 minus 1 to 0 multiple of 4 nah setia so 1 is related to 1 2 minus 1 so 0 1 not multiple of 4 3 minus 1 also 2 not multiple of 4 4 minus 1 so 3 not multiple of 4 5 minus 1 so 4 multiple of 4 that means 5 is related to 1 6 7 8 9 9 minus 1 so 8 multiple of 4 nah setia so 1 to 9 yang related thing 10 11 12 12 minus 1 so 11 not multiple of 4 bana set so nga so elements so up to 12 ro na aku tele set so nga elements so 1 to related CC so 1 5 and 9 hijing so ada ci equivalent class yang kita so set of all elements related to 1 hello le equivalent class of 1 yang kita so here 1 5 9 dia dan second part lagi note second part naturally Oh, second also, second scenario relation ko piham kya hele. Set A ko le 0.12 cm na. Abana relation to R equal to AB such that A equal to B na. Ito reflexive at check border ito na. Let A belongs to A. So the element of A and denote border ito. Ako tehla A so malang ma equal to A equal to A. So di ito na. Number ka so malang ma equal hila wa hila. Di ilo hijing so tila number hijing dito na. Yung may number ho so 1 to 1 equal to 2 equal ni to ni ki bang na thum to thum ki bang ti acho A equal to A, which is true. What is acho R is reflexive. Abana symmetric check note. Symmetric check na diwa ko element ni na diwa first element equal to second element. Second element so first element ano equal ang check diwa so. Okay, for symmetry acho let AB belongs to A such that A is related to B na hicha nala te te chong symmetry check na A related to B te le definition relation dong zia cho A equal to B ti na cho A equal to B hipo po that means B is also equal to A na common sense na B equal to A equal to B equal to A le relation dong zia cho that means B is related to A equal to B hipo po la B yang cho A related to B hipo po la B yang cho related to A that means R is symmetric. Ito transitive check होता है transitive check में आपको element में नहीं चाहना ना ये जो तुम element होने क्या ना होता है element तुम लाते हैं बन अम्मा चो element तुम मो ला दे हिलवा first और second related दिन second to third related दिया A related to B abana B related to C a definition dongre acho A related to B means A equal to B na 1 2 10 abana B related to C means B equal to C second to 10 from 1 and 2 1 and 2 combine bhava hele A equal to B bana B equal to C he cha that means A equal to C na A equal to C hele relation dong zia cho A is related to C so here first element related to second element related to third element bana first is also related to third that means R is transitive tin hejing na R is transitive when R symmetric zang reflexive zang transitive zang that means R is an equivalence relation na when a set of elements related to one ito relationship tha one to related si cho set A sunga cho integer 0 to 12 sunga ko ko 1 to related to one number to relationship hamtel equal hobo chuna ko tile set A sunga one number la 1 to equal to 1 box A so na this acha so here one hidina Set of elements related to one equivalent of class of one kiti ki bonds. Na David na si theo na. Next question is I tawin. One next question. Example simply example hoy simply pano lai te he. Yon iki manipulate do theo so. Symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive na. Jadi tinggi similar symmetric, reflexive sang loading, transitive sang loading. Set 11 lang, selection natin elements at nagpwede ng matuto na. Example lang, nagyaldo ko wala very good, nagyaldo ko wala tanang value taas na. R is a relation in A on A given by given lang relation ko symmetric hitting or reflexive or transitive ilagay ki same divisions na. 2 is related to 3 abana 3 related to 2 relation. 2 relation higa here 1 related to 1 in open na. So 3 is reflexive ilagay. So 1 is not related to 1 element how more related ilagay. So R is not reflexive na. Reflexive. Na symmetric ang i-check diba hila? Diba here? First element related to second element here. Abana second element lang so related to first element ng reverse ang nang di sana. That means R is symmetric ita so. The transitive ang hiluhan vector na. Transitive hindi din so first element related to second element related to third element. It's in it yung transitive e hilo check thay di here. At chay na so first to third ang related na din na. Dahil first element related to second element in iyo. Abana second element related to third element in iyo. But first element related to first element to third element here related lang na. Puti at so R is not reflexive. Transitive. So ibay mo so example here reflexive hello symmetric bang here abana transitive hikilo. Abana here transitive but neither reflexive nor symmetric. Thank you so much. Transitive feeding, reflexive ang loading, symmetric ang loading. You are who? One is related to tutil. Second element related to third element ko ipikin natin. One thing, first element related to third element ko ipikin natin. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3. Abana relation on R here. Relation on A is computed. So one related to one in law na. So that's a reflexive flow. One is not related to one. So that's a R is not reflexive. Symmetric one related to two but two related to one in law na. first element related to second element, but second element is not related to first element. So that's R so symmetric loading. R is not symmetric. Transitive from the transitive loading also condition first element related to second element. Yeah? First element related to second element, but second element related to third element. Second element is also related to third element. But first element to third element related kitchen. First element to third element related kit R is transitive. R is transitive. Ito yung example ito similar to both. And then a very good example na gyal to while pana na gyal to lo while ita he manipulate na kibol theo he. Reflexive and symmetric but not transitive na. Okay, timbol ute. Arahin. Element हम हमारे more related to साथ. 1 related, 2 related, 3 related na. Element हम हमारे more related so KG bahi. Reflexive feeding. Bana first element related to second element. Second element related to third element. This is 1 2 2 1 symmetric na. Bana 2 3 3 2. Pencil check ball होते हैं. Let A equal to 1 2 3 and relation on R is and relation on A is same होते हैं. तो होगा here 1 related to 1 2 related to 2 3 related to 3 जी आहे हमारे symmetric तासा ना 1 1 2 2 3 3 हमारे से element हमारे more related so कैसी बाही reflexive feeding R is reflexive. Symmetric zone kitchen. First element related to second element related to first element. First element related to second element related to first element. 1 related to 2 ohm, bana 2 related to 1 ohm, bana 2 related to 3 ohm, bana 3 related to 2 ohm kitna. So these are so symmetry hikit. Itong transitive number ito. Transitive ini din ato. First element related to second element related to third element na. First element related to second element, bana second element is related to third element. Ito first element related to third element ang loop na. But first element is not related to third element. Kuti ato R is not transitive. R is not transitive. Ito hi ka same to le theory hai bana hi to zo ni ka sim thu ke no to r cho symmetric reflexive detail element amone mo related outing bana he first element related to second element related to third element bana he first related to third element ठीक को जोड़ते हैं तो बना a है 1 2 3 बना relation on nature relation on a b तो relation element हमारे more related to कैसे ना symmetric so ये अच्छा 1 related to 1 2 related to 2 3 related to 3 को चीज़ अच्छा element हमारे more related है जो कैसे बात so are symmetric और reflexive नाम 1 related to 2 और 2 related to 1 हम लोग ना 1 related to 2 but 2 is not related to 1 2 related to 3 3 related to 2 kilo na jadi acho r is not actually reflexive again here not symmetric bana transitive nam chang na 1 1 here transitive 2 2 transitive 3 3 transitive 3 3 transitive bana here 1 related to 2 first element is related to second element is related to third element bana first element and third element are related na what is acho r is transitive it's a guy one transitive as 1 1 transitive at sanga 2 2 sanga transitive 3 3 transitive so here check chai ba he transitive ta na symmetric and transitive but not reflexive so hello so are I think the same version 1 2 2 1 2 3 3 2 yung border symmetric zone he transitive zone he banga reflexive hi chala na 1 2 2 1 2 1 1 2 2 changa zone na ये चलो 1 2 3 है कि दे राही 3 3 हम लोग ना 3 3 हम लोग से अच्छा हाँ symmetric reflexive filo reflexive filo adang sule symmetric bang he bang transitive bang he dikit sana reflexive fi as it so 1 related to 2 bana 2 related to 1 bana 2 related to 3 bana 3 related to 2 aku ti acho chi symmetric is symmetric bana transitive bang dikit sana Constitution kina maji cho 1 related to 2, 2 related to 1, bana 1 related to 1 kitna 1 related to 1, bana 2 related to 3, first element related to second element related to third element, bana first element related to third element kitna ti acho R is transitive. Bana hile so that relation R in a set of a point in a plane given by R, distance of the point from P is an equivalence relation. So that the set of all points related to P is circle passing through P with origin as center na. Nga saya here set is sunga ko kaya kana point jo si di cho na. Wana chi point la ding ako origin ako na distance ki pang jo si cho related dite check bolo na tun origin ko on ki la ta na. Let O 0 0 B origin te jing hote bene ding bana है point ka chu origin ako na ma distance ki pang pang jing gi na to ti acho let P belongs to A. Point A here set A point A here set A point khare he tu na utile है ओ ही ओरिजिनल आवा है लाउटिन अबान ले ए सुना point जो छिखो point P do not borrow ना variable P को चाहेला वैसे दियो जो point P लेकिन उधर origin अपना P distance है ना origin अपना P distance की का है OP तो OP हमारा distance की बंग बंग जिंग दिस ना जो same distance है जो उधर जा जो OP is equal to OP ना origin अपना P distance origin अपना P distance की बंग बंग जिंग because it is the same distance ना वो चाहेला that means point जो से को origin ना को ना ama distance ki bang bang jing dina or to P Q is on or Q to Q ki bang bang jing that means R is reflexive लेकिन symmetry हम check बोल होते point नहीं ला देता है ना let point P and point Q belongs to A pana belongs to में हिलाओ दें फिर हम चले P is related to Q P related to Q तिया है ले और relationship ढंग से P से ना हम तिया है ले P to Q से तिया related हम तिया है ले OP distance to OQ distance के बंग जो this implies distance of origin from P is equal to distance of point Q from origin. Obviously that means OP to OQ के बाहर OQ to OP के बंग के देना distance of point Q from origin is equal to distance of point P from origin. उधर अमानी distance के बाहर और relationship ढंग से याद जो this implies Q is related to P. भाई मुझे first element related to second element hi powa hele. Second element is also related to first element. That means R is symmetric. R is symmetric. Wala tong transitive form hilo ham check bolo na. Tong point hong lekit taute. Let P Q R belongs PQR lo tabot R hi lawa like confused. PQ S PQS ho hi point hi tu na. Set element heading, point plane heading. Mana point mo hello ding. First to second ho distance ki boundary, second to third distance ki boundary na. Like fixed point origin ending. Banai ba is head chila. P is related to Q. Bana Q is related to S. So here, it's a hila ting mo le transitive check both head ta cha. That means a relationship thong ya cho. Distance of point P from origin is equal to distance of point Q from origin na. Your relationship thong to set equation into it. That means origin aku na point P to origin aku na point Q distance ki boundary na. Ato aku saya aku ila abana aku distance of Q from origin to distance of S from origin ki bangkit. Ticho na. O S to ki bangkit. Ichi he 2 2 equation 1 to he bet bahile. From 1 and 2, distance of P from origin is equal to distance of Q from origin is equal to distance of S from origin na. Origin aku na he P to Q distance ki bang Q to S distance ki bang. That means P to S distance ki bang na. This implies distance of point P from origin is equal to distance of point S from origin. That means a relationship thong ya cho P is related to S. First element related to second element related to third element. So obviously first element is related to third element. So R is transitive. R reflexive zong hi, symmetric zong hi, transitive zong hi. That means R is an equivalence relation. This implies R is equivalence relation. Bana question acho iba sam kya hila. Also that set of all points related to P. P hi origin hello dina. Origin hello point P to ki related point jo si cho. Circle P tong kha origin to center lane ya P tong kha circle acha bon wa jaw so ke de tu so na. Circle hai te jeng acha la tun khalat. Set of all points related to P are all equidistant from origin. Jadi sana origin P origin hi lawa hele ama to related jo si ko origin na ko na distance ke bang tu sana a relationship thong ya cha P origin hi origin na ko na point P to related jo si ti cha equidistance o kai ti origin na ko na P se na ham te hele circle definition so pem tele center na ko na distance ki banga point au se so ila khom mai la circle ke so ide ti na so ti acho pito related jo si chu circle a sim liu ban circle a denga center chu pi hung na circle is a set of all points equidistant from equidistant from fixed point center wa sai chu pi circle ko application ham tela circle ko fixed point center aku na distance ki banga point ja o se ko ila kom ting le circle ki su na aji chu hi distance so amo distance of radius so hi de cha utela chita banga chu ho pito related jo si hi fixed point origin aku na distance of ki bang su ke that means amo distance so origin aku na distance so radius so hi de apan amo se se chun circle in form de so this implies set of all points related to P yang origin hello dia forms a circle with fixed point origin as center with fixed point origin as center passing through point p jang circle a pan ji a chu circle jang point p to kha thi jang na passing through point p circle ji p ki sin ham tela circle ki ti chu p ham ke le circle ko p ti ki form ham te la fixed point origin ding fixed point center ding the center aku na ho equal distance on point jo si ho equal distance on point jo si ho in ro home ting le circle hong ke so de am distance or radius di na je bang ha chu to hi point pito related jo si ti chu point pito related ki chu definition dong ja chu origin aku na p distance ki bang om jo si khu na point jo si khu ila home ting le circle hong ke so de ji circle chu radius chu chi distance heading apan ting le fixed point origin ko center apang le one circle chu point p to kha de ti he jing cha utila pena jang chan patan te mang pha ben na bon ben